Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
Confess, then Krishna will be happy. Here is no question of prestige. My prestige, no one taken. My prestige is my prestige. There is no question. But why I shall not confess the truth? In this way, a real truth will reveal in your heart. This is my experience. No quality, no qualification. Only surrender to Gurudev, Guru Maharaj, and faith. And that faith, my faith grown through his God brothers. Actually, I cannot judge Guru Maharaj's whole existence. I cannot comment about him.
You sing him every day like your own father. You told before, like sing your own father every day.